are back. We are back. We are back. There's Mike. Say hi, Mike. We are back. He finished up the exhaust. I'm not crying, but it's so beautiful. Look at this. That is a beautiful weld. That is a beautiful, look at, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Dude. No light, but I don't have any light. Coming all the way here. Stop. Coming here. Oh, look at that. Oh my. Oh my. Him back there. Wait. Y'all see him. He did it. He did all the work. Because he's awesome. He's awesome. So, we are about to finish up the last bit of the exhaust. We're about to weld up the last portion of the exhaust, which is the, what I call the down. So, we're getting ready to weld that up. And that will be done. It sounds amazing. There are no exhaust leaks. There are no exhaust leaks. There was one small one. We fixed it with one of the V-bands, but it's great. So I'll go ahead and put this back on the time lapse, and we're gonna get back to work. basically it cleans all of that debris and stuff up and gives you like a real clean weld, basically.
Yeah.
Y'all heard that, right? If you're welding stainless steel and you're not purging, shame! Shame on you!
More shame.
Shame!
Now we're ready. Hey, try to pick that up with a glove.
You're a jerk. You're a jerk.
Trying to pick up a filler rod with your glove on. One of the hardest things to do.
Wait, no.
Ah,
No.
you're cheating. You're using the crack. You're using the crack in the floor.
No! No! I can't! I did it! I am the winner! Wait, what do I win?
You got the filler rod for me.
Oh, that's all I... Oh, wow. Do y'all see this? Wow! I was struggling.
Alright, so let's just make sure real quick. If you can't stand real quick, make sure that that's straight.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a full-fledged exhaust system. Oh, look at those welds. It's still hot. You can see the smoke. Look, y'all can see the smoke. Look at the smoke. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. And we got a dancing mic. Hey! This exhaust is fire. That's all I'm gonna say. Fire, 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 fire.